What's up, you guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we're going to go over one way that you can create or design your own template for your business, church, or whatever you're trying to promote. Let's dive straight into it. We're going to be working with Canva.com. Canva is a great website with over 50,000 plus templates to choose from. Let's go ahead and create a design. You have your templates. As you can see, there are multiple options for whatever you're trying to create. Flyers, resumes, posters, videos, Facebook posts. Let's try that. Here's the layout. You have your templates option. You can choose from an array of photos. Keep in mind, this is a free website, but on some of these photos and videos, you have to have the pro subscription to use it. You can choose from different elements. Got your arrows and shapes. They have font combinations already set for you. You can add music. They have a decent selection of music here. You can add videos. And you can also upload your own photos and videos. All right, let's just do a test post here, Facebook post rather. And it's a plug and play deal. Just gonna add an element. So let's just say I don't want this background. I can delete it. And we're gonna add something else. Let me type in. Bam. This is just an example, guys, so you can do better than this. Let's add a video as the background. Wow. That's pretty neat. So I'm done with my short video, and I'm just going to go to this download tab. And here you have options. So I already know I wanted a video of this, but let's say I want a picture. You can save it as a PNG or JPEG. You have your different options. You can save it for printing and also a GIF. But I want to save it as a video, so I'm just going to go ahead and download it, and it's going to go through this process. All right, so it downloaded, and we're just gonna hit continue editing. All right, there you go. I encourage you guys to click the link below. You can do amazing things with this website. Of course, this is not the only resource, but I find this very beneficial. Now, if you thought this was beneficial to you, go ahead and like this video so I can continue to create more content like this. We'll see you next time. Peace.